This is part 2 of Mickey Mouse. Hi.
I thought Bobby was in there.
No. This is part 2 of Mickey and Sonic. It kind of got along, guys. I showed up. Just spilled the slime. Also, there's even worse news. Not supposed to be doing this, guys. I have a big trouble with my parents right now. Even more bad news, got my mom's shoe. That's great. I'm gonna not do this anymore. And let's cross my fingers for the best. Hey guys, just so my dad came in here. I'm trying to yes. But I don't use a towel and to put in the dirty clothes because then I'm just gonna be like, this towel is clean. What is that? And then she's gonna be like, this looks like a slab from Hot Mag. Did you do this? But also, we don't have any paper napkins, so I'm just using one of the cup holder things. And guys, there's even a worse thing. My mom's shoes are black, so it will put down. Guys, let's hope for the best. I'm trying to use some toilet paper. Yeah, I know that sounds weird, but I'm going to use toilet paper. Hold it. This. Guys, let's hope for the best. My heart is pounding. That's my original slime. I didn't even make this for one. It's store-bought by my teacher. Why did I do that, guys? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why I did that. No reason. Guys, do you guys think I should add some of this to this? Or should I add some of this to this? In case things go wrong, I'm just gonna add this because this makes everything better.
What you doing? Bring me back.
Okay. I just got caught, guys. Oh my goodness. My heart is pounding. Guys, please hope for the best. Yeah, hope for the best for me, guys. Please help for the best.